Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at a bubble tea shop. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between two friends. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. Why is it called bubble tea if there are no bubbles in it? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Mina, do you want to try something fun after class today?
Sure, what is it?
Bubble tea. There is a new shop close to the campus.
Bubble tea? I have never had that before.
Really? You are going to love it.
What is it exactly?
It is a cold tea drink. You mix it with milk, sugar, and other things.
And what about the bubble part? Are there real bubbles in it?
That's a good question. Let me ask you first. Why do you think it's called bubble tea?
Maybe because of those little black balls at the bottom? I always thought those round things were like little bubbles.
That's what a lot of people think, but there's a different explanation.
Really? Then what is it?
I'll tell you later. Let's talk about it after we try the drink.
Okay, now I'm curious.
This drink actually started in Taiwan.
Oh, I did not know that.
It started in Taiwan in the 1980s. People do not agree which shop made it first.
Wow, that is a long time ago.
I know, and now people all over the world enjoy it.
I'm excited to try it now.
Great! The shop is just around the corner.
Let's go then. I hope I like it.
I'm sure you will. It's sweet and fun to drink.
Sweet sounds good to me.
Come on, let's walk a little faster. I don't want to wait in a long line.
Is it a popular shop?
Very popular. Students love it after class.
Now I really want to see it. Do many students come here every day?
Yes, most of all in the afternoon. It gets busy fast. You'll see the menu board first. It is very big.
Big? How big can a tea menu be?
You'll find out soon. Come on, it's just past that corner.
I am a little nervous, but also very excited.
Don't worry, I'll help you every step of the way. Here we are. This is Pearl and Leaf.
Wow, look at that big menu board.
Yeah, they have a lot of drinks.
There are so many names. I do not know what to choose.
Do not worry. It looks hard at first, but it is easy once you understand it.
How does it work? Is this shop very different from other tea shops?
A little. At this shop, you can choose your own tea and sweetness. First, you pick your tea, then you choose how sweet you want it.
How sweet? Can I really choose that?
Yes, most shops let you pick a sweetness level, like 0%, 50%, or 100%.
That is interesting. I have never seen that before.
You can also choose the ice level. Some people like a lot of ice, some people like less ice.
So I can make my drink just for me?
Exactly. That's part of the fun.
Okay, but what sweetness should I choose for my first time?
I usually get 50% sweet. It's not too sweet and not too plain.
That sounds like a safe choice. Do most people choose 50% sweet?
Many people do, most of all for their first time. And for ice, maybe try regular ice or a little less ice.
Got it. This is a lot to remember.
Do not worry, you can just tell the staff what you want.
Okay, what about the toppings? I see a list here too. Are there many to choose from?
Yes, quite a few. We'll look at the most popular ones together in a few minutes. Let's go order first.
All right, I'm ready, I think.
You'll do fine. Let's go to the counter.
Wait, should I decide my drink flavor now?
Yes, think about it while we walk to the counter.
Okay, I think I want a milk tea. It sounds simple and safe.
Good choice for your first time. Milk tea is a great start.
What did you order the first time you came here?
I also ordered a simple milk tea. I didn't want too many new things at once.
That makes me feel better. I'm not the only one who felt nervous.
Everyone feels a little nervous the first time. It gets easier after that.
All right, let's go order.
Hi, can I order 2 drinks, please?
Sure. What would you like?
I will have a classic milk tea, 50% sweet, with regular ice.
Great choice. Do you want any toppings with that?
Yes, tapioca pearls, please.
Okay. 1 milk tea, 50% sweet, regular ice with tapioca pearls. Anything else?
That is it for me. My friend will order her own drink right after me.
No problem. What size cup do you want?
Medium is fine, thank you.
Got it. That will be all for you today.
Here you go.
Thank you. And here is your straw.
Oh, this straw is really wide.
Yes, we use a wide straw for drinks with tapioca pearls.
Why is that?
Because the pearls are big. A regular thin straw is too small for them.
Oh, that makes sense.
The wide straw lets you drink the tea and pull up the pearls at the same time.
That is a smart idea. I never thought about it before.
We also shake every drink by hand before we serve it.
You shake it? Why do you do that?
It mixes the tea, milk, and sugar together well.
Interesting. I did not know that.
Your drink will be ready in a few minutes.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Please wait over there with your friend.
Okay, we will wait right there.
She can order at the next counter when she's ready.
Great. Let me go get her.
Take your time. We are not too busy right now. Would you like a cup sleeve too? It keeps your hand dry.
Yes, please. That would help.
Here you go. It also makes the cup easier to hold.
Thanks. That is helpful. I will bring her right now.
Okay, it is my turn, but I do not know what topping to choose.
There are 2 popular ones, tapioca pearls and popping boba.
What is the difference?
Tapioca pearls are soft and a little chewy. They do not have a strong taste by themselves.
And popping boba?
Popping boba looks like small balls too, but they are different. When you bite them, they pop.
Pop? What comes out?
Sweet fruit juice comes out fast. It feels fun and tasty in your mouth.
Do shops make popping boba themselves?
No, most shops buy it already made. It comes in many flavors.
That sounds fun, but also a little strange.
It is fun once you try it. A lot of people love the surprise.
What flavors do popping boba come in?
Many flavors: strawberry, mango, lychee, and more.
That is a lot of choices. How do I decide?
You can just pick your favorite fruit. There is no wrong answer.
I think I want to try popping boba then.
Good choice. It's a nice topping for your first drink. I like tapioca pearls best, but popping boba is fun too.
Wait, are these the bubbles from your question earlier?
Some people do call them bubbles because they pop, but that's still not the explanation I have in mind.
Really? I thought I found it this time.
Not yet, but you're getting closer. Think about how the drink is made.
How it is made? What do you mean by that?
You will understand soon. Are you ready to order now?
I think so. Milk tea, popping boba, 50% sweet.
And regular ice, like mine.
Yes, let's keep it simple for my first time.
Perfect. Let's go tell Leo your order.
I'm nervous, but excited too.
You'll do great. Just say it slowly like I did.
Hi, can I order a drink too, please?
Of course. I'm Leo. What would you like?
A milk tea, please.
Sure. How sweet do you want it?
50% sweet, please.
Good choice. And how much ice?
Regular ice, please.
Okay. Any toppings today?
Yes, popping boba, please.
Great pick. What size cup would you like?
What size do most people choose?
Medium is the most popular size.
Medium, please. Just like my friends.
Got it. 1 milk tea, 50% sweet, regular ice with popping boba, medium size.
Yes, that is right.
Perfect. That is everything for you today.
Here you go.
Thank you. Your drink will be ready soon.
Thank you so much.
You did great for your first order.
Really? I was so nervous.
You did not need to be. It was very clear.
That makes me feel better.
Please wait with your friend. We will call your number soon.
Okay, thank you, Leo.
Your number today is 12.
12. Got it. Thank you. Why do you use numbers instead of names?
It helps us a lot. Some names are hard to hear in a busy shop, but numbers are always clear.
That makes a lot of sense.
You are welcome. Enjoy your first bubble tea.
I am sure I will. Thanks again. Okay, here I go. My first sip.
Take your time.
Oh, wow, this is really good.
See? I told you.
The tea is smooth and the popping boba is so much fun to eat. Is your drink just as good?
Yes, I am enjoying mine too. I am happy you like yours.
This tastes even better than I thought it would.
Now, do you remember my question from before?
Yes, why is it called bubble tea?
Right. Do you want to hear one common explanation now?
Yes, please tell me.
Okay. When people shake the tea to mix it well, small bubbles form on top of the drink.
Bubbles on top? Like foam?
Yes, very small bubbles form a soft top on the drink. Many people believe that is why it is called bubble tea.
So it is not about the black balls at the bottom.
No, that is a common mistake. Those are called tapioca pearls, not bubbles.
Wow, I really thought it was about the pearls.
A lot of people think that. It is an easy mistake to make.
I'm glad you explained it to me.
Of course. Now you will never forget it.
So the real bubbles come from shaking the drink, not from the pearls.
Yes, that is the most popular explanation for where the name comes from.
That is such a fun fact. I will remember it now.
I thought you would like it.
I do. Now I understand the name so much better.
And now you also understand the toppings.
Yes, tapioca pearls and popping boba. I will not mix them up again.
Good job, Mina. You learned a lot today.
This drink is my new favorite thing already.
I'm glad we came here today.
Me too. I want to tell my other friends about this fun fact.
They will probably think it is about the black pearls, too.
Yes, and I will tell them the right answer just like you did with me.
Exactly. Now you know all about it.
I like the sound of that. You are a great teacher, Ken.
Thank you. You were a fast learner today.
Thank you for bringing me here today, Ken.
Of course. What did you think overall?
I loved it. The drink was sweet, cold, and fun to drink.
I am glad. Do you want to come back again?
Yes, for sure. Next time, I want to try tapioca pearls too.
Good plan. Then you can see which topping you like more.
I am glad we tried this together today.
Me too. It was a fun first time for both of us.
This was such a fun first experience for me.
Do you remember the answer to my question now?
Yes, small bubbles form when people shake the drink. The name does not come from the black pearls.
Perfect. You got it right this time.
I feel like I learned so much today.
Me too. I am happy I could show you something new.
Let's come back again next week.
Sounds good. Maybe we can bring a friend too.
I cannot wait for our next bubble tea trip.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. Why is it called bubble tea if there are no bubbles in it? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.